Okay, so till here we have covered, we have printed the name of the users. Now after that, come down below, we have to print the all the mobile number of the user. How many mobile number they have? We need to print all the mobile number of users. So for that we have to write one more map here, and we have to write info dot mobile dot map. Info dot mobile dot map. You can write here call my mobile and comma again call index. My mobile and index. My mobile and index. Again you will write here call return a paragraph. Under the paragraph you will write here again my mobile. My mobile. BILA. My mobile and my mobile. And for paragraph you have to apply the key as a index. You can keep as a index or index 2 better. Keep as a index 2. Check now. It will give you list of mobile numbers. Printing of the values for every user. How many mobile number? Whichever the mobile number will be there, all will get listed here. Okay. Next, after this, let's come to the index. Already you have here, no, in the beginning. The first map function you have already variable index. If you use again same index here, there will be value will get replaced. Okay, you cannot find what is the index of parent, what is the index of child. So in that, give with different variable. Huh? We have to give it. Hmm? First function. No, here this value should be different, this variable should be different. That is the only logic. This is mobile is a array. So which mobile? Those mobile that is available under the info variable. In info variable, what will come? Complete one user details will come. Complete one object will come with everything. Okay, go next. Now in this page, we have to integrate with the Bootstrap. Bootstrap. Okay, so how to integrate with Bootstrap? You have to install the Bootstrap. Okay, you have to install the Bootstrap. But before doing installation of any next label or any next functionality, we have created a component user, books, then product, and then customer, and you have one more called service or city. Service, we don't have any custom component. Service is a link here. We have not created for this anything. Okay. So you have how many components? User, books, product, and customer. 4 are there, right? Now create one more component called service.js and display the list of 10 services like this. Suppose first to create a component service and a link under the app.js file. Create a file called service. Component name you can give my service. File name will be service.js. Component name will be my service.js. Who created the component? No, create a first component, right? H2, simple. Right? Right now, let me know your service page is loading or not. 1% says loading. Other people, component loaded. Please share anyone file in the chat. I will use the same. Anyone can share the file in the chat. Nadeem, you have created the file. Send in the chat, no? Send in the chat. Not able to share. Let me create a file. What is the file name you have created? Service or services? servic service dot js. What is the function name inside? Import from turn down, write a const my service equal to right arrow return div to our services export default my okay. Now go here, create a array of service constant service equal to a square bracket follow inside website design logo design content writing then you can see here SEO search engine optimization. So this becomes a list of elements inside the array. Now come down below. Can you print the array? Display this array. Use the map function. Display inside the paragraph. Use the map function. Display inside the paragraph. Okay. Next to that, what you will do for this? You will write here a map function. There you will be using the service dot map. Inside that, name of the service and index of service. You will write here called return. You can use p tag or any other tag is also fine. Print the name here and print the p as index. Okay, right. Now come to the app.js file, import it. My service from service.js file. After that, print below in the last my service. Save it and check once how that look. It will give list of service. Yeah. Now next task will be we will add the bootstrap in that. So hope we are clear how to create the component and how to call that. Even how to use the map function, single dimensional array. Now go to your terminal. We have to install the bootstrap so that page will look little more better. Look and feel will come better. So we'll come to the terminal of VS Code terminal and select new terminal. Go to the terminal and select the new terminal. Terminal and select the new terminal. Okay. In the terminal, you have to write here npm install bootstrap. To install the bootstrap, what is the code? What is the command? npm space install space bootstrap. npm node package manager install bootstrap. Officially, whichever is available version, that will get installed automatically. The available official version will get installed in your system. It will go to the node modules. It will come by default under the node modules. Next project, we have to create one more project. There also you have to install the Bootstrap because both are different folders. Okay, for each project we have to install separately. One installation will not help you both the places. For each project, installation of Bootstrap must be separate. So completed. Going on. Means internet is required for that. You are trying without internet or with internet? Huh? Any internet, but internet is required. Internet is required. We need to install here npm through npm command. Internet problem. Which command you have run? npm install space bootstrap. Completed now.
Completed.
npm leave that down. Warning, no need to look. At last it will show you this many packages updated. Leave at all. It's saying no in the last. This many. See. Bootstrap 5.1. What version shows? See 165 packages, something. This many. It will happen. Last it will come to the command prompt. That meaning your Bootstrap installation is ready. Completed. So hope completed for everyone. What is the error? Unloading. Unloading. Okay, completed then. Let's go next. What was the command to install the Bootstrap? npm install Bootstrap. Go to your developer guide. We have created one file now, developer guide. Open that, write in the last how to install the Bootstrap. How to install Bootstrap. Install bootstrap. npm install bootstrap. Okay, so installation is completed. Nodes you have created. Now how to integrate that? Once you do the installation, where it will go? Once you do the installation of the Bootstrap, where it will go? It will go under the node modules. It will go under the node modules. There will be one folder called Bootstrap. You can check. In node modules, you will find a folder called Bootstrap. You can check that. Is there? Next, after that, see here is a folder. Bootstrap folder came. Okay. Next, after that, in your project, come to the index.js file. There you have to link with the Bootstrap. In index file, you can see already you are calling one file, index.css. Calling just after the index.css, you can import the next import bootstrap /dist /css /bootstrap.css. So this will help you to link the Bootstrap from where to where? Your React to Bootstrap. React and Bootstrap linking will be established. In normal HTML page, we write import, not import. We write as a link rel. Link rel style set equal to something. Here, instead of writing that link rel, you have to write as a import bootstrap /css. By default, it is going to point to the node modules. By default, it will point to the node modules. Okay. After that,
हेलो
hello.
हाँ सर एक कंफ्यूजन है। जो अपना जो इंडेक्स जेएस फाइल है वो एसआरसी के अंदर है, ठीक है। और एसआरसी और जो नोड मॉड्यूल है वो एसआरसी के बाहर फोल्डर है। वो
नोड मॉड्यूल से बाहर है वो।
बूटस्ट्रैप जो कर रहे हैं सर, नोड मॉड्यूल के अंदर बूटस्ट्रैप है ना। जी
सबका लिंकिंग है package.json फाइल में।
अच्छा,
package.json file will keep all the information of all the files. And by default your package.json file जो है वो कंटेनर है। देखते हैं उसमें क्या है। package.json file, where is that?
एसआरसी पैकेज
package.json
बाहर है इसका। जी
package.json file It is holding all the details of your project. इसमें कहीं लिंक नहीं है. React app, React app, yes, okay. These all are their internal settings.
जी
Which file is where, which version, everything. Redux हमने install किया, Axios install किया, all are here for me. Okay, folder name I have called project one. Let me see package.log.json file. What is that? Yes, this package.log.json file is also holding lot of information. It is very long file. All which one is downloaded from where? All will be here only. Data.json file also holds some. These all are the module related. Which modules are where and how it is linking. Let me look into the data.json file. What is that? This is something else is holding. Okay, so in this file, there may be anywhere linking somewhere because you can see here all the component, all the modules, version, where it is, all will be here. See, these all are pointing to the same folder, node modules only. Node modules and SRC both are in the same place. Both are in the same place. So somewhere one dot dot will be applied. And then dot dot in the sense it will come out one folder back. Last what it is. इसमें कहीं नोड मॉड्यूल्स नहीं है. कंट्रोल F, node underscore modules. No result related to that. The package.json file is the main file. It has anywhere node modules related anything. Dependency, React DOM, Bootstrap also install. So these all are pointing to main folder, node modules folder only. Because see, everywhere what is written, directly path is written. Node modules is not mentioned anywhere. Some file will be there where linking will be there. From where to where? From the node modules to. Okay, here again, if I look into the index.js file, in index file, what is called? Here it is calling directly folder name, that meaning it is calling from the React only. The React, what is this data facility? For this line, it is not showing any path because it is pointing to the node modules local. This is also pointing to the particular SRC. Here, this web vital also point to the SRC only, web vitals. Next React, if I move the mouse, It is saying there under your system, under the system, the when we run that command, which command? Let me go to the right side. What it says? It's showing some more thing in the right hand side. Here is the actual path. When we run the okay, when we so this node, this is not calling from the node modules. Look at here. When I move the mouse here, React router DOM, what is the path it's represent? It's represent something else, right? It's representing something else. We representing the under some other folder when we have set up that which one? When we have set up the npx create react app, npx create react app, once we have run, that time it has set up the some environment. That environment has gone to some particular location. That location is shows here. So when we have written the React router DOM or import React DOM, so this React DOM is not coming from the node modules. It is coming from this particular path that represent here directly. Okay. Next, after that, what was the next is next was this app.js. App.js is calling from the current folder. That is okay. Okay, bootstrap also we call from the by default from that folder. Which folder? Node modules folder. So here if I move the mouse, it's not shows any path, but this the import what we did there, linking is available under the package.json file. Now package.json file is holding some which version and what we have installed. It is where package.json file, package.json file on here it says. Now this maybe this particular complete array package.json is pointing to the node modules, and from the node modules it will look for the all the libraries, because entire libraries are linked here in the package.json file, and this package.json file is somewhere it will be called by the React, where it will point to the which folder? It will point to the node modules folder. That way linking is happening. React router DOM we called here in app.js file. We have called the React here. React. Let me move the mouse. React, you can see it is not calling from your which folder? Node modules folder. Can you check that? Where it is calling from? Move your mouse here. Go to the app.js file and move the mouse here on React. Keep your cursor pointer. Which path is it saying in your computer? It is showing different path, no? Which path? Project 1 node modules. No, in your computer. Where?
Info Campus Project 1 node module is also.
Project 1, it is showing project 1, the current one. Mine is showing something else. Here. Okay, so it is where mine is showing here node module somewhere else. No, mine is
project 1 के बाद फिर node modules.
Project 1 node modules for your system.
जी.
But mine is showing somewhere else here. You can see here is saying modules, something Microsoft TypeScript. Okay, ठीक है, वो तो डिस्कशन का मैटर नहीं है. That we can find out. Manifest.test.js file, what it says, it has any linking. Okay, here is some kind of, this is for different purpose. What are the photos we are calling under the main page by default? That is, this is for that purpose. Okay, root.txt, something else, robot.txt, that has no any relation from here. Okay, next after that, then app.test. This is for the different purpose completely. It has no any relation from there. Okay, but why mine is showing different, yours is showing different? My project is also which folder? My project is also here under the project 1. Under the project 1 is showing project 1 also I have. Project 1 also I have. Okay, let me see in someone else computer what is showing there. Maybe locally installation or locally installation, that can move the mouse. There are also six types and then they have different. Mine is the older version actually. Mine is running older version. What is that? Mine is Node models Node 12. Node is 12. Yours is Node 20. 15, 16. Maybe because of that some difference. So we have only 7 items, but we got 9 items. The total items are 9, sir. Here. We are getting only 7. 7. Okay, that may be, no, this is the one is extra file. Data.json is also extra file. Okay, data.json, let me open what is inside. This is made by, it's a user defined file, post, commands, profile. Okay, JSON, TP code, JSON server. Okay, this file is not required anywhere. This is just for, okay. So I can, this DFT was the photo I have designed. And this is the like copy of another folder. This too I will delete. That is has no any impact anywhere. It remains same. It remains same. Okay, so come to the main point. What we have done. Yeah. Okay, next after that, so we have come to the index.js file. In index file, we have added here called Bootstrap. Now come to your browser and check once anywhere the Bootstrap is reflecting or not. Refresh your page. You can do Control and F5. Control and F5 you press. Refresh once. So font size should get increased. Font size got increased. That meaning Bootstrap is reflecting somewhere. Font size got increased. Check once. Okay, next after that, so when the font size got increased, that meaning it represents yes, Bootstrap is getting linked together, linked now. So come to the first component. What is our first component? First is the user component. Go to the user component. Under the user component, we have follow everywhere division. So for this division, you will use a property from the React JSX that is called class name. Write as a class name. Class name. N will be capital. You have a class called container. You can call that class, and you can apply here MT4. So from top 24 pixel gap will get applied. MT4. So from top 24 pixel will get applied. Double quote, single quote, anything is okay. Check now, container is applied. You will get some space from left side. Container will leave some space from left side by default. Come to the second one, book also. In the book also, you can check the division class and change that. Okay, next we have product everywhere. First change the container class so that the page will look little inside. It will not start from very beginning. It will be covered inside. It will leave some space from error. What error? Boot strap dist css boot strap.css y.select.
पूरा पद देना पड़ा, वो बैक स्लैश जाके फिर नोड मॉड्यूल करना पड़ा, उसके बाद वो सही कंपाइल एरर आ रहा था, बूटस्ट्रैप डायरेक्ट कर रहे थे।
npm install bootstrap.
जो लिंक दी थी ना index.js में बूटस्ट्रैप का, तो बैक स्लैश करके फोल्डर बैक के फिर वहां से फिर नोड मॉड्यूल करना पड़ा उसके बाद।
नहीं, नोड मॉड्यूल्स तो नहीं चाहिए यहाँ पे। बैक स्लैश वाई फॉर अदर पीपल आल्सो। Here slash you added. You remove the slash. No, slash is not required. Here it will. आप स्लैश ऐड किए क्या?
जी, वो पीछे डबल कॉमा देके फिर बैक किए, उसके बाद फोल्डर में पीछे करके उसके बाद फिर नोड मॉड्यूल से वहां से देना पड़ा।
Now you given the slash or without slash?
स्लैश पहले बैक गए, दो डबल डॉट बैक, फिर बूटस्ट्रैप, फिर
नहीं, दोनों ये वो तो लिखना ही नहीं यहाँ पे, सीधे बूटस्ट्रैप लिखना है।
बूटस्ट्रैप करके नहीं आ रहा था सर।
नहीं, ऐसे कैसे होगा? सब में तो आ रहा है। डॉट स्लैश इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड एट ऑल। Yours check once. You both without only bootstrap here written, no? Yours only bootstrap. आप नदीम बोलो, आप how you have used? Other people have used only slash or what you follow? Or directly bootstrap? ओके। आप अजीत लैपटॉप में है कि कहाँ पे है? लैपटॉप में है क्या? हेलो अजीत।
हाँ सर, लैपटॉप में।
ठीक है, मैं पोस्ट बनाया एक बार सिस्टम शेयर कीजिए।
ठीक कर रहा हूँ।
स्क्रीन शेयर पे क्लिक कीजिए, आ जाएगा अपने आप। ओके, कहाँ पे लिखे? वो सब नोड मॉड्यूल क्यों लिखना है यार? वो सब हटा दो आप।
जब यहाँ से हटा देता हूँ सर इसको,
यस,
सेव करता हूँ यहाँ पे, फिर यहाँ पर रिफ्रेश करता हूँ यहाँ से।
ठीक है।
जी
Come to browser now.
आ गया सही।
कंपाइल हुआ?
जी जी
एरर अभी चल रहा है?
नहीं खत्म, एरर नहीं आ रहा है।
एरर नहीं आएगा वो। ठीक है, डॉट नॉट मॉड्यूल चुना की जरूरत ही नहीं है देने की, वो नॉट मॉड्यूल में पॉइंट करता है। जो भी हम इंस्टॉल करेंगे ना, दैट ऑल विल कम टू नोड मॉड्यूल्स ओनली, फ्रॉम देयर इट विल पॉइंट डायरेक्टली टू योर एसआरसी फोल्डर। ओके ठीक है, चलिए। Okay, so this all you have applied the container, add apply the container class in all the component, go to all the component, main division class as a container. Okay, now come then, which file? This file. So everywhere you have added, that is fine. Next, after that, we need to add the routing. When we click on the links, when we click on this link, the page has to change. Whichever the link you click, that page has to change here. So for that, we have to install another module that is called React Router DOM. Come to the node modules. So for every classes, for every division, you are given this class. Which class? Container. In every component, all the component give the class as a container, container, container in all the components. Okay. Next, after this, come to the terminal, and then in terminal you will write new terminal. In the new terminal, you have to install here npm install react hyphen router hyphen DOM. npm install react router DOM. npm install space react hyphen router hyphen DOM. This is for what purpose? To set up the routing in the React. npm install space react router DOM. React hyphen router hyphen DOM. This one. Once it's complete, you can close that. So say it is, what is saying? React router DOM. React router DOM is done. You can go here, write in developer guide how to install the React router DOM. How to install React router DOM. React hyphen router hyphen DOM. React hyphen router hyphen DOM. So it is called npm install React router DOM. This will help you to set up a routing. Okay, ready? Installation is completed. Clear that? It is going on. Stop this. It is portrait. Internet you have. The internet is saying 0 point. Because internet is required. Good speed. Connect that. Open a new tab. Open the YouTube running in your laptop. Internet is not there. So only one matter of internet is speed. If internet is very slow, then it will fail also. Check now again. Go to the CMD. Stop again. First close that browser. Internet matter. If internet is there, it will work faster. So downloaded. Okay. Now come then. What we have installed and what is the use of that? Come to the app.js file. In app.js file, in beginning, where we have imported the React. After that React line, you have to import three, four components together. Has router. Suggestion will come. You can select it. Has router from React router DOM. Then you have to select here called routes. ROUTES routes. Then you have to follow here called ROUTE route. Then you have to follow here called link. How to write manually? You have to write it manually. Huh? Definitely, as a developer, we have to remember. Definitely, as a developer, we have to remember only. Then only it will work out. written. Now come down here, index dot. No, this all you have to import under the app.js. Bootstrap is common for all the component. Bootstrap is common for all the Bootstrap also you can import here. It will work, no problem. Bootstrap you have called in which file? Index.js file. Cut from there, paste here. It will work. Both the places you can add. Bootstrap.js file you can call both the places. It will work. Use the keep in the index and keep under the okay written. Now come down. The section tag you have used here. Can you see the section tag? Now section tag replaced by hash router. Hash router open and hash router close. Open and close the hash router. Got ready? No error? Right? No error? Okay. Come now. The link tag you have used here. Link tag. Link. Li tag you have used. Keep inside the link. Link will be the part of li. Link open and link close in the last. Link open and link close in the last. Like the a tag. How we follow the AHR here. Similar way, link will open. Link has to close after the text. Link open and link close after the text. Link tag will follow. After following the link tag, nothing is printing. No problem. Every link tag you have to write as a to. Link to. Link to. Link to. Link to. Link to. Link 2 is required everywhere. Once you apply the 2, then page will load. It's like AHREF. Oh. L will be capital. Okay, hope I did. Now put here /user /book /product /customer /service then if you click on the link
Just like
path, yes, but this user book product is not predefined. We are writing our own. It can be anything. It can, we are creating our own path. It can be ABCD also. A for user, B for book, and C for product, D for customer. We can write like that. If you click on the link, no, in the browser URL hash will appear. This is one type of routing. One more type of routing is there, where without hash also we can do using the switch case. But most of the time you will be following the hash routing. You will not follow the switch case. Most of the time people use the hash routing. Go here, click on any link. If you click on the links, URL will change. If you click on any link, URL will be changed. URL changing. For other people, yes, no, you can let me know. Now come according to the URL. According to URL, the page has to change. If you click on user, user should come. Click on book, book should come. It should not display all the data in all the page. Only a specific data should display in each page. Now you have to use your routes. ROUTES. Routes will open and routes will close after all the component. Routes will open and routes will close in the last. Routes, inside the routes, first open close the routes. Okay, routes open close. Now go for the right for each component like this. First open the flower bracket and close the flower bracket in the last. Okay. Open the root here, route, root. This root will get closed like this. Then I will write here exact path equal to slash user. Then element element equal to this element, user element. Same way we have to write everywhere for book. This will open close and there will be slash this one in the last. Same way here also. This will open close. There will be slash in the last. Okay, this will get open close. There will be slash in the last. Open close. Slash keep in the last. Okay, next after that user, then user component slash book, then book component slash product, then product component slash customer, then customer component slash service, then service component. Now whichever the link you click, that particular page will load automatically. After writing, please check once. According to click, whichever the link you click, that page is loading or not. According to button click, according to hyperlink click, the pages should load below. This routes to routes I will share in a chat. So this is one complex this complex complete topic, how to set up the routing. We have to install the React router DOM, and after installation in app.js file, we have to do this all activity. Then your page will get set up, and whichever the link you click, that particular page will load. Vigneshwaran, if you are in Bangalore, you can come to the class also. It will be helpful for you.
Also, I'm in hometown.
You are in hometown. All Corona gone now. You in Bangalore, you will get chance. Okay, so when we click on the links, whichever the link we click, that particular pages should load. Okay, error. But not given the class container in user file. I asked you to give container class everywhere. Where DIA spelling is wrong. Small. CLASSNAME equal to CONTAINER container. Class name equal to container. It's correct only. Save that. Go to browser. There is spelling was wrong. Check now. Working. Working, then there will be homework for you. Homework is set up a new project. Homework is you have set up a new project yesterday or not? You need to go to the new project and you have to create the component home, about, contact, login, register, static pages, and set up the routing. Like usually when we create the website, we'll have multiple menus. Similar way, you create some static pages, home, about, contact, login, register, and after that give a link, home, about, service, register. Click on that, pages load. Routing is remember. Okay. Okay, then we'll see you again tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Monday next.